Hello Algebra 1 students, we are in week 4 of our function booklets, Literary Equations and Sequences. We are in Tier 2, Lesson 4a, Intro to Sequence Notation. Let's check off our booklet. Hello Algebra 1 students, we're into Tier 2, Lesson 4a, Intro to Sequence Notation. So all I want to do here is kind of just get you in the habit of kind of recognizing what a sequence notation looks like, and also being able to understand kind of how it's derived or how it's created. That's what derived kind of means. So this is our sequences from earlier when we had the +3 sequence, right? And the ×2 sequence. So, and if you remember, our terms in this one were 17 and 20. And then over here, our terms were 40 and 80. Okay, so all we need to understand here is that our first term here, A1, is 5 right there. So that means A2 is just A1. As you can see, I made a little mistake here. It should be A1 plus 3, which would give us 8. And then our A3 term, which is this term right here, is going to be our A2 term plus 3, which is going to give us 11. And then our A4 term is A3 plus 3, which is going to give us 14. And our A5 is our A4 term plus 3, which is going to give us 17. And our sixth term is going to be A5 plus 3, which gives us 20. And then if we go up here and look, this is our A1, this is our A2, this is our A3, our A4, our A5, and our A6. And they all correspond nicely down here. Sorry about that mistake with the +5. I don't know what I was doing. It happens. Let's go over here and look at this other one. So here, same thing. Just again, introducing you into sequence notation. So this is our A1 term right here, this 2.5. A1 equals 2.5. So our A2 is A1 times 2. So this 5 is our A2 term. So that will equal 5. Then A3 is A2 times 2, which that gives us our 10. A4 is A3 times 2, which gives us 20. A5 is A4 times 2, which gives us 40. And A6 is A5 times 2, which gives us 80. And if we kept going up here, A3, A4, A5, and A6, and you can see that they all correspond nicely. Again, I just wanted you to fill this out, get you kind of used to seeing sequence notation, because it's going to come up in future math courses and some science courses. Good luck on your practice sets.